What if I told you there is a secret to achieving the most natural flawless scalp look with your wig? It all starts with the knots. I'll be giving you an ultimate knot bleaching guide, so get ready because you're in for a treat. Start with spraying some got2b free spray on the hairline of the wig. Spray, spray, spray. Comb the hair backwards away from the lace. Using a rat tail comb, then going back with a brush. Next, we're wearing some gloves for safety to avoid the bleach from burning you. Use any bleaching powder of your choice. I'm using this one. Scoop some bleaching powder using 1/8 cup into a bowl. Next is a volume developer. I use 12%, which is also known as a 40 volume developer. Pour 1 tablespoon of the developer into the bleaching powder and again add another 1 tablespoon of the volume developer into the mixture. And start mixing. If your mixture is too runny like mine, you can go ahead and add more bleaching powder. If your mixture is too thick, you can go ahead and add more volume developer. Side note, I'm using a face silicone brush to mix the bleach. You want your bleach to have the same texture like toothpaste, so you better go and check the texture of your toothpaste right now. Anyways, grab some bleach onto a brush, lift it up. If it's not runny, then you're on the right track. I use the back side of a plastic spoon to apply the bleach onto the lace. Apply the bleach starting from the back of the lace, as the knots in the back are a bit huge and take long to bleach compared to the ones in front. Don't use force while applying the bleach, and hold the lace up with the other hand while the other one is applying bleach. If there is any bleach on the hair, spray with some water to stop it from bleaching. Keep checking every after 2 minutes to see if your knots have bleached. The bleaching process depends on what type and size of knots your wig has, so I can't tell you the exact time your knots will bleach. After 8 minutes, mine had bleached. I washed the bleach off camera. You can see the knots are bleached, but we're going to wash the lace with sandpaper shampoo to cancel out excessive orange tones. Wash the lace and leave it in purple shampoo water for 5 minutes. Afterwards, the orange tones will definitely be gone and the lace will appear more appealing. Can you really appreciate that? If you can, subscribe.